Hey y'all, Shauna here at Town and Country Auto Sales in Winchester, Kentucky. If you need a truck, not a pretend one, look at this. This 2011 Ford Super Duty F250 XL four-wheel drive is built for work. Under the hood, it's got a 6.2-liter V8 with an automatic transmission. That's real power. It's hauling, towing, job site, farm. This thing is ready. Four-wheel drive, so you're covered in the mud, gravel, snow, or whatever the day throws at you. Finished in clean white with vinyl gray interior, easy to clean, built for durability, and no nonsense. It's 111,000 miles, and it's just getting started for a Super Duty. Heavy duty bed, tow ready capability, spacious cab, AM FM audio, practical, tough, but dependable. Yes, it comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty for peace of mind. If you need strength, reliability, and serious capability without the brand new truck price, come check this out at 1010 Bypass Road in Winchester.